Hi everyone, it's Lynette here, Charmed Grammy Crochet, and today is Tuesday. We've been here in South Carolina since Saturday, and I have some pictures. I know I've been telling you I'd show some pictures, so I have some pictures and some video. I'm going to try to get it together right now and see how that goes as to what we've been seeing so far. So I'm going to kind of talk over the pictures as I put them in, and the videos will not have any sound. It'll just be me narrating, I guess. So we're gonna give that a shot. Excuse me. If you want to watch, fine. If you don't, that's fine. This is mostly not a yarn video. I do have a picture of Joanne's, but other than that, it's not a yarn video. It's just to let you see our trip thus far and see what we've seen, or some of what we've seen. Okay, have a good day. Bye. So these first few pictures of our trip down, we got into some really bad fog, as you can see. It was really scary. I was glad I wasn't driving. Then when we got here, we met up with Nancy and we went to Murrells Inlet's Marsh Walk. Murrells Inlet is in South Carolina. Obviously, that's where we're staying. The Marsh Walk has some bars and some restaurants, and it is where the House of Wicked Tuna, the restaurant Wicked Tuna, if you've ever watched the show, Wicked Tuna is there, if you've seen pictures. These are just pictures along the marsh by Wicked Tuna and the other bars and restaurants. Now that's across the marsh from where I'm standing, and I don't know what, I guess that's Murrells Inlet, but like across the pond, or the marshy area. And there's my honey. So the boardwalk goes, there's Nancy. The boardwalk goes along what you're looking at now. Now the land that you're seeing, the sand in front of that, is called Goats Island. And apparently people used to take little rowboats and go over there and plant pot marijuana and grow it and then harvest it at night. So the authorities caught on and they put goats on the island, and the goats eat the marijuana, and thus it stopped them from trying to grow pot on the public land. And the goats are not there right now. Right before the last hurricane, they took the goats off. It's kind of chilly for them now, I guess. I don't know. But they haven't put them back since the last hurricane. And so what you're seeing beyond the land there is all where the boardwalk goes. So we kind of cruised around that for a while. And it's decorated for Christmas. So at the end of this, after this, I don't know what I'm talking about. Excuse me. I was having a conversation with you in filming. I think I was talking to you about the Goat Island there. The marsh is beautiful. So just enjoy it. They have a Christmas tree there now, and you've seen a picture of Nancy and I standing in front of it. And I didn't know, but it does some really cool things. These are just some birds that I took pictures of. And then we went into Dead Dog Saloon. Dead Dog Saloon is named that because people put up pictures of their deceased animals, dogs. Nancy and Tim are buying shirts, but there's pictures all over of people's pets that they've lost, and it's just a bunch of memories all over the walls. And of course, you know, Nancy, my good friend from She's Got Yarn Too, would be all over that. Then after we left, we went to Joanne's. And now these are Roy and I the next day. This is outside of our room, outside of our condo. We took video. We're on the marsh at the inlet, and I took pictures of the marsh. This is low tide. You can see all the wet dirt. When it's high tide, you don't see any of that. But I did want to show you some of the sunset. We get a beautiful sunset here in the marsh. In the winter. I haven't been here in the summer to see the sunset, but this is my second time to be here in the winter. And the sunset is amazing. Then we went back to the Marsh Boardwalk to see all the lit up. That's my husband. Pardon me again. To see all the decorations. And so it was a little chillier at night, but it was well worth the trip. There's a couple more places we're going to go to look at lights while we're here. I love Christmas lights. That was just a bird in the water, and if you'll notice, you can see his reflection. I thought that was kind of cool. That's the tree. Now here's video of the tree from far away. And there is music playing, but I had to take that out because of copyright and all that. Of course, during the day, you could not tell that the tree does this. And I have more video closer of the tree in a few minutes, I think. Starting, it changes colors. It was actually blue. This was blue and black, I guess, where there were no color. You can see the color reflecting in the water, but you can't see it on the tree. I thought that was pretty unique. I don't know why the water reflected the blue, but the camera did not get blue in during the actual filming. But now it did. When I got closer, you could see the blue. And it did, this will be a few seconds worth of colors and stuff. I couldn't get it without the people. It was cold. I got tired of waiting for there to be no people, so you have to ignore the people in the foreground. It wasn't really cold as far as the temperature, but the wind had a real chill to it, and I didn't want to stand there too much longer. It had several different designs that it did. Oh, there we go. Here's a different one. And I think that's pretty much the end of the videos that I took for the first couple of days, videos and pictures, up and through till today. So I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you stuck around to watch, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.